Wow, look, girls, what cool houses. Did you see? I want the golden one.
$1? No way, we're not living in a house like that. We want that house too.
No, we want it.
Yes.
Guys, don't fight. I have an idea.
A coin flip will decide who gets which house.
So who's getting the golden house?
Hooray, it's the girls! Let's change outfits. Wow, girls, we look so cool.
We look like $1,000,000.
Well, all right, give me 5. Let's go. Time to transform. That's more like it. It's gonna be fun.
We need colored plastic.
Then we take a ruler and a pencil. We mark it out, cut out identical squares, and lay out a mosaic. Glue on LED lights. Seal the seams with gold tape. We ended up with a dance floor like this. Girls, come here, look what I made for you.
Wow!
Oh wow, what a shiny dance floor. I have to be the first to try it. Turn on the music, Crafty Loo. Here are headphones that would serve you as speakers. Cool. That was fun.
I liked it too.
Wow, so much junk. We need to clean up here. Help out. Over here! No, over here! Okay, let's head my way. All right, let's go. Oh, Crafty Loo, look, I found popsicle sticks.
Oh great, they'll definitely come in handy.
We'll take the sticks and paint them in different colors. Glue the green ones at the base of the house. Well, let's put the blue ones here. I'll help you. I can't reach. Oh, awesome. Hurry up, it's hard. Oh, it's hard. Glue the blue sticks along the walls in the middle. Not bad. Crafty Loo, we brought markers.
Yes.
Awesome, then pick your colors. Let's see, I choose light blue. Crafty Loo, help me draw the Saja Boys stars. Perfect. Let's put the bookshelf in the middle. A potted plant next to it, and hang another one on the other side. We'll hang a guitar on the wall and also place 2 speakers. In this corner, there will be a chair and a table with books. This is the kind of cardboard house we made. Oh, wow! Oh, great! Yeah, I like it too. Oh, we almost forgot about the Saja Boys logo. We'll attach it right here. Now it's perfect. Okay, I need to call the guys. Hello? Hello, hello? I can't hear.
Huh?
Hey! Hello? I can't hear well. I can't hear you. I can't hear you either.
Hey!
Oh, you're here. Looks like a prank. Have we been standing here the whole time? Guys, we ended up with an awesome house. I wonder how the girls are doing. That's true. I'll call them now. Hello, Rumi? Are you there? I can't hear you, Rumi.
Hello, Ginu, I can hear you. Everything is great here.
Perfect time to take a break.
How about a snack?
Smoothie for Rumi, noodles for Zoe, chips for Mira. Awesome. Let's sit down on the couch.
Where's our couch?
There's nothing.
So what do we sit on? Crafty Loo, can you make us a couch?
Great idea, Rumi. Let's open the chocolate package. We connect the 2 pieces of foam shaped like a couch and lay out the chocolates to look like gold bars. The seat is ready. We make the backrest the same way. We tape the foam with metallic tape and add big rhinestones to make the couch look richer.
Wow!
What a luxurious couch! Have a seat, girls. Let's go.
Wait, first, security Zoe will check the couch for safety. Oh, looks like this is real gold. Zoe, are you going to be long?
How long do we have to wait?
Patience! The check isn't over yet. And the stones are real too. Seems so. Everything's fine. This way, girls.
Finally.
Wow, what a luxurious couch. Like our couch, and be sure to make one for your dolls too. They'll love it. What a tasty smoothie.
Yeah, we're finally sitting down. It's the perfect time to watch a movie. Oh, wow! Oh, great! Ready? I'm always ready. Cool. Hey guys, look what I brought. Wow, so many noodles. Noodles, 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 hooray! Guys, how about a noodle eating challenge? Whoever eats first wins. We're in. Yeah! Yeah, oh, we're gonna eat noodles. Wait, where do we sit?
Huh?
We'll fix that now. So, we don't need toilet paper, but cardboard tubes from it come in handy. But first, let's take this piece of cardboard and some tape. Trace a big circle on the cardboard. Cut it out and attach it to the tube. Now take another tube and draw this shape on it. Cut it out. We've made the chair frame. Don't throw away this piece. Put the chair on it and trace the circle. Cut it out and cover the hole. Trim the edges of the backrest. You've got 1, 2, 3 chairs. Now let's add some color. Take our table and draw red lines using a ruler. Draw a grid like this and color it in a checkerboard. Color the empty squares with a white marker. This is the pattern we got. Let's move on to the chairs. Draw a circle, color it yellow, and draw a smiley face with a black marker. Decorate the other chairs too. Have a seat, everyone. Wow, how convenient.
Let's go.
Phew. Oh, that was a lot to eat. Oh, I can't get up. Baby Saja, how you doing? What took you guys so long? I've been waiting for you.
Oops.
Oh, that was delicious. Wow, you guys are awesome. We have a winner. And as a prize, you get even more noodles. Woo! Wow! More noodles? Cool. Hooray, dig in. There are so many different kinds of noodles. Help yourselves, guys. Wow.
Girls, a golden party is waiting for us.
What do you mean a party?
We haven't prepared anything.
Who said party?
Crafty Loo, help us.
Of course I'll help. Don't worry. Let's make the terrace. Cut out the exit. Bam! Awesome. Attach the base. Put up the columns. Take the paint and brush and paint everything gold. Deliver the golden railing. And decorate the arch with golden sequins. Here's the DJ console, a super speaker, a portrait of Huntrix, and a vase with flowers. This is the gorgeous terrace we got. Below, we'll put a golden pool and add a slide for fun.
Wow, what a gorgeous terrace. Thank you. We're inviting everyone to the party.
Hi, is there a party going on here?
Am I late? I saw the dancing is in full swing.
Yo, show me your hands. Girls, we have a slide. Let's go swim. Yay. 1, 2, 3. Wow! Zoe, catch up.
Mira, I'm coming. Woo!
Woohoo, this is so much fun. Hey, girls, we've got a super cool party happening over here. Come join us.
What did he say?
Party?
Looks like it.
Yes.
Let's go. Hey, wait for us.
Oh, what a cutie. Hello. Can I take this? And I'll give you a treat. Do you like the smell? Come here. We need edges. I'll make them out of cardboard and cover them with parchment on top. I decorate the edges with bright stickers in a skateboarding theme. Now let's draw. Which marker to choose? Let's go with this one. I draw stars, hearts, everything that comes to mind. This is the ramp we got. We also need some skateboards. I'll make them from these cardboard pieces. I draw an oval and cut it out. I glue these parts on and add wheels to them. Let's decorate the skateboards with ribbons. Wow, so many colors. We take blue. I cover the sides and draw the wheels. On top, I draw smiley faces on this skateboard. It turned out cool. And here are 2 more. I'll give them to the boys. Skateboard, skateboard, woo!
Wow, I love skateboards.
Oh, wow, that's great. We're coming to you. Well, I'll go first. Come on. Yeah, whee! Did you see what I can do?
Wow. Ginu, Ginu, Ginu.
Ginu, you're awesome. Want to see it again? Yeah! Have you already subscribed to our channel? Rumi, want to ride together?
Me? I do.
Let's go.
Cool.
This is so awesome.
Mira, let's go ride too.
Cool, let's do it.
Where's Zoe? Where's my skateboard anyway?
Move aside, I'm going to ride. Woo!
Yay!
Hey, what about me? Don't be sad.
Hey, Rumi, want to continue the party?
Of course.
Then let's light it up.
Step back, no slack, I'm the ace of the pack. Talent's my weapon, no need to act. They want the gloss, I'm bringing the grit. Play the long game, yeah, this is it. They watch, they talk, but I don't care. I'm climbing up while they just stare. Beauty fades, but skill ignite. Shine through the fight, shine through the fight. Crown yourself through time.
This was the best party I've ever been to. Bye, everyone.
Yeah, it was great. Bye-bye.
These are the beautiful houses we ended up with.
Write in the comments which house you liked more, Saja Boys or Huntrix.
Bye-bye.